just got the 4 coins. Hopefully it's not the 4-coin curse. We gotta get coins. 2 coins. Yes, alright, might be good. We got 20 spins, let's go. Usually the 4 coins is a sender. Maybe not. Let's go. Alright, this is part 2, the 4-coin curse. So far it's decent. When you get more coins, ooh. Where'd the coins go? I don't know. Come on. I hate when they show you the coin go right at the end. Alright, this is not good. Oh my goodness. There we go. Alright. 28 spins. There we go. That's 2 holding spins and 1 bonus. There's the minor. The minor's 500. Come on, minor. Last chance. Come on. I got a chance for the super grand, 138. Last spin. Alright, super grand. Oh, they're both in there. Nope. Come on, baby. We got another 9 spins. We need some more coins. 5 spins left. Come on, coins. Where you at? There we go. Oh, wow. This is actually the best 4-coin curse video I've had. Oh, minor. Oh! That was a $500 minor. Wow, what a tease. Ah, those wilds didn't connect. Alright, 5 more spins. Oh, I'm gonna do a part like 4. Alright, this thing's on fire. 46 games up the 4-coin curse. I've already had 2 holding spins. Can I get another holding spin? Or more coins. I'm at 579 and we got 10 more games. Ooh, I'm gonna get another holding spin. Oh man. The coins have been dropping. Alright, slowing down. Come on. Now it's just teasing. We need 2 more. Well, alright, 1 more spin. We gotta get 2 coins right here. This is it. And nothing. The free counter just went off. 7 squares right before this, and I didn't get it. What a tease. Alright, I think it's done. Yep. Here's a part 2, a free bonus. 6 more games. Come on, we need coins. Yeah. That was good. Come on, 2 more coins. We got 5 more games. Ooh. This game teases you so much. Yeah. That should have been more. One more game.